Yeah, you're sleepy. I know you're tired. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm here with Socks, Cat. She's just here sitting on the bed. That's a painting of a pool ladder. It looks a lot more detailed from on the computer. But I don't know what to record about. No. Socks is sleepy. She's just lying here on my bed. I'm not sure what to record about. Who's a good kitty? You're a good kitty, yes. Well, I'm not sure what to record about while Miss Socks is here. Oh, Mrs. See, now she's purring because she likes that. Are you purring because you like that? Sorry. Oh, yeah, Mrs. Oh, goodness. Look at you, your eyes are closing. You're sleepy. Anyways, Miss Socks, I'm gonna go find something to do, okay? I'm gonna go find something to do. If you'd like, you can follow me. See, look, Socks is just lying there. Oh, yeah. One, two. Oh, tap dances. Oh. what to record. Let me see. Boredom. That's okay, because we've got a solution to that. Something. I miss socks. Have you turned around? I'm gonna see how socks are. Wanna go get tuna? Tuna sandwich? Wanna go get tuna? Let's go get tuna. Socks hasn't left that spot for, like, she's got some resting to do. I'm gonna make a sandwich. Sure. Jennifer, can you make socks some more?
No, she doesn't eat right now.
Oh, she's also got some food on the table here, right?
Yeah, but she only eats in the morning and the night.
I thought that she needed to,
What?
I don't know, like, she's upstairs sleeping on my bed, is that okay?
Yeah.
She can come down when she'd like to.
Okay, so was that a yes for a sandwich or
Yes, yes, please. She's just been in that spot for so long. It's adorable. Oh, Miss Socks. What to record. There's nothing really to record, but I'm gonna play BeamNG.